This YouTube channel went from 1,000 subscribers to over 19,000 subscribers in just 3 weeks. I'm gonna show you a brand new YouTube hack and strategy that you can use right now to grow your YouTube channel. This works if you're starting a brand new YouTube channel from zero, or if you're trying to revive an older YouTube channel. I'm really excited to get into this, guys. Hey, what's up, you guys? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, guys, I teach you how to start a 6-figure online business absolutely from scratch. I was able to go from an electrical engineer to now full-time affiliate marketer within 9 months, and I was able to leave that job that I absolutely hated. Now, guys, if you want to learn exactly how you can do the same thing, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. We talk about YouTube, we talk about TikTok, we talk about affiliate marketing, we talk about how to make high-ticket commission sales. So if you want to learn more, guys, click the notification bell, click subscribe. Let's get into the video. Alrighty, guys, so before I show you the proof on how this channel went from 1,000 subscribers to almost 20,000 subscribers in under 3 weeks, I want to talk about how this happened. So I'm sure a lot of you have heard about TikTok. TikTok is absolutely blowing up right now. People are getting thousands and thousands of followers per day. People are making a lot of money. You've seen me make videos on TikTok and how you can blow up your affiliate marketing business. Check out this video where I talk about how to use TikTok to make high-ticket affiliate sales. But here's the thing, guys. So YouTube came out with something called YouTube Shorts, which is essentially the same thing as TikTok. They are trying to compete with TikTok. Now, because of this, people that post YouTube Shorts are getting promoted right now in the algorithm. The reason being is because, again, YouTube's trying to compete with TikTok. They're trying to create their own version of these short form videos. That being said, if you're not using YouTube Shorts to blow up your YouTube channel or to start a YouTube channel right now, you guys are missing out, because YouTube is really promoting YouTube Shorts right now. And I'm gonna show you proof of that in my own channel, in somebody else's channel that I wanna talk about today. Alrighty, guys, so here's the proof on the YouTube channel. So it's actually my wife's YouTube channel. I've been helping her grow her channel since we started it, because obviously, if you've been following me, you guys know the power of YouTube and how it can literally transform your life. I've been able to use YouTube to create a 6-figure per month business, and I want to do the same thing for my wife. Okay, now she talks about how to be a full-time mom, new mama tips, stuff like that. Okay, so we were stuck for a while with about 200 to 500 subscribers. We were in that rut, right? As most of you have known, getting to that first 1,000 subscribers is very tough. Now, we did get to 1,000 subscribers last month, but after that, something crazy happened, okay? I'm gonna walk you through inside of the YouTube analytics. Alrighty, guys, so check this out. We're inside my wife's analytics account. As you can see here, in the past 48 hours, 1.1 million views. Now, how did this happen, okay? As you can see, it started ramping up right here around May, I would say about May 10th is when it's really started growing. Okay, I'm gonna switch to subscribers here, and you can see we're averaging maybe 1 to 5 every single day. Okay, really slow growth, just like normal YouTube growth, right? In the beginning, that's how it works. Now, as you can see here, around May 7th, May 10th, it started to really grow, and all of a sudden we just spiked. Okay, and during this time, I mean, my wife was 38, 39, 40 weeks pregnant. We were about to have our brand new baby. And look at this, there's this crazy spike that happened. Like, literally, she's getting 1,000 YouTube subscribers a day, 2,000 subscribers a day. Literally, this is just like blowing up her account, and it's actually still growing. You can see we're almost about to hit 20,000 subscribers here. So how did we actually do this? Now, I'm gonna go into her channel content, and she does weekly videos on, just regular YouTube videos. But I noticed the trend of YouTube Shorts, and I said, hey, you need to start this now, okay? Because YouTube Shorts is literally helping my business grow. It's helping, my channel grow, and my students grow as well. So you need to get on this ASAP, okay? So we started posting YouTube Shorts, and I want to show you. I'm gonna go down a little bit. We started posting this. Let me see here if I can find it. I know this was an older one. We had one that just like went insanely viral, and let me look for it. Okay, here we go. We're on the second page here, guys. So as you can see, all right, this is what I wanted to show you here. This video, okay, this video right here, it's only a 15-second video, okay? You can see it has 15 million views, okay? Which is absolutely insane, okay? Now, this was actually posted November 15th. all right? And if we go back to the analytics, it didn't actually go viral for like 8 months later, okay? So I want you to understand right now, if you're posting YouTube Shorts, it might go viral right away, but it might go viral months later. So what I want you guys to do is start posting YouTube Shorts. Again, this was posted November 15th, and if we go the past 365 days, you can see not much was happening around November 15th, right? It was almost like a little bit of, like, only 20 to 50 views a day around November, okay? You can see nothing was happening until the middle of May. That's when that YouTube short started to pick up. So how does YouTube Shorts work? How can you implement this as soon as today? Now, our strategy is a little bit different from what a lot of people are doing, okay? We actually get our TikTok videos, repurpose them, and we put them on YouTube Shorts. So we actually create the content on TikTok. We can go ahead and download that content and put that on YouTube Shorts. It allows us to make content once and redistribute throughout different platforms such as IG Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even YouTube Stories. I will tell you that right now YouTube Shorts are in beta, so anything can happen right now. They're testing a bunch of different things with YouTube Shorts. But guys, here's the thing, okay? When there's a new platform or a new feature on these platforms, such as YouTube Shorts or even Instagram Reels, you gotta understand they're trying to compete with TikTok or whatever that new platform or feature is. So the goal of these platforms is to really push the early adopters, right? If you got into Instagram in 2012, you remember that you would post a picture and you would literally get thousands and thousands of likes and it would be shown to everyone. So right now, not a lot of people are using YouTube Shorts. So if you're just starting a brand new YouTube channel and you want to grow as fast as possible, I believe that YouTube Shorts can help a brand new channel blow up right now. Now, that being said, I don't think you can post one YouTube short and just have a channel go to 20,000 in the next week. What? You still have to be consistent. You still have to post regular content. But right now, if you're able to implement a YouTube short with your regular content, I think it's really gonna help you grow. So my strategy right now is I continue to create my YouTube videos every single day, but in between those videos, I'm actually adding YouTube Shorts so I can grow my channel. Now, let me show you a cool trick on how I'm using my TikTok videos and repurposing them for YouTube Shorts. Check this out. Alright guys, so this is my TikTok account here, Passive Income Lifestyles. The cool thing is I can literally use these videos, download them from TikTok, and put them on my YouTube Shorts page. Now, the cool thing here is I can actually take out the watermark that TikTok usually leaves when you download a video, okay? So let me show you how to do that. Let's just say I wanna add this video as a YouTube short. I'm gonna go ahead and click this video here, and I'm gonna actually copy this link. So this is where it says copy link here. And there's a website called snaptik.app, okay? Snaptik.app. And with this website, I'm actually able to paste my link here. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste my TikTok video. So as you can see, it's gonna allow me to download that TikTok video, but without the watermark. So I can go ahead and download this video and then use that as a YouTube short. Now, how do we actually upload a YouTube short? Let me show you how. Okay guys, so I'm in my YouTube channel here. So it's actually the same thing as uploading a regular video. Now, the YouTube short does have to be under a minute, okay? So typically if you make a TikTok, it's only gonna be up to a minute, and then you could upload it to YouTube Shorts. So this is what I do to upload a short. You just go to create, upload video, and then you can go ahead and choose your file. So just like a regular YouTube video, I'm gonna go ahead and upload that video now. And then guys, it's really simple now. You just upload it just like a regular video. Now, one thing is I would always add a title, whatever that video is. So, you know, how to make money on TikTok, because this is the video I'm using that I got from TikTok. Now, here's the thing with YouTube Shorts. You do want to add a hashtag shorts at the end of it. That way YouTube knows to categorize it in the YouTube Shorts page. Now, I do want to show you that you can see I'm still posting regular videos on the daily, but as I post my videos, I'm posting YouTube Shorts in between, as you can see here. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. I really wanted to show you the strategy because it's really helped my wife's account blow up from literally 1,000 subscribers to almost 20,000 subscribers in under 3 weeks, which is just absolutely insane, especially for YouTube. Now guys, I'm not about like followers and subscribers. I'm all about teaching you how to take those subscribers and turning them into high ticket commissions. You know, for me, I've been able to build a 6-figure per month business with my small following on YouTube. So if you want to learn exactly how you can take YouTube and monetize that list, you can monetize that audience, I have a 3-day challenge down below that's going to show you how to create a 6-figure online business, but more importantly, how you can monetize your audience. Because at the end of the day, I don't create videos to, have 1 million subscribers. I don't care about that. I care about making money, being able to leave my job, and having financial freedom. So if you want to learn exactly how you can start a 6-figure online business, if you want the step-by-step process on how I left my job within 9 months of starting this exact same business, click the link down below, guys. I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to get started. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on YouTube Shorts and how you can grow your YouTube channel from zero, or if you have a dead channel and you're trying to revive it. Guys, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you have any questions. And if you want me to do more videos on YouTube Shorts, if you want more info on how this works, let me know, guys. I will go ahead and make more videos. We'll see you guys on the next one, and God bless.